like we got probably pet stains here. Treating it with 20 volume, and it should disappear if it's pet stains. We'll let it dwell through the cleaning and give it plenty of time to do its thing. And I'm using red one for, I've seen some color here in the couple areas. And one here in the entry. Where did I see? Oh, here it is. So I'll hit it with red one. If it's gonna come out, it'll lighten up before I get done here. So I'll let that do its thing, and then I'll extract. Nine areas already pre-sprayed. I'll go through here, do a little agitation with the multi-wash and extract. See how long this takes. 96 degrees, hot. I sweat a lot during the summer and lose a lot of water weight. So you get these little supplements here from like CTS or one of these local pharmacies. They're salt pills, help you retain water, prevent muscle cramps and stuff like that. So it took me a couple summers till I realized I need these. I lose weight too quick, and I don't like losing all that water weight. It makes me tired. So anyway, just a little helpful tip there, guys. Alright, all finished up. Those stains ended up being permanent stains, so I did post spray and with 20 volume in case it is some kind of, I don't know. I don't want to post spray too much with the red one. I let it sit throughout the whole job and didn't budge. I think it's probably furniture stain, or I'm not sure, but either that or it's been there just way too long. Gonna have to steam this red stains if we got any chance of getting that out, but they don't want to deal with that. They're good with the cleaning, and I'm gonna wrap it up, get ready for my next job. All right, stay tuned. Before I go, actually I'm probably not gonna record on my next job. We'll see, but if I do, you'll know shortly. But I did want to say this job took me an hour and a half. It's a nine area job. I think the quotes for $380. So it took me an hour and a half. Guys, not all jobs are gonna be this quick, because some are more saturated than others. This one was a pretty easy one. I didn't have to really do a whole bunch of scrubbing. So yeah, you can make a good living in this, and it's not about the money. I'm not sitting here bragging about money at all. But if you're not making at least $70 to $100 an hour, if you break it down, never charged by the hour, by the way. Okay, charged by the job. But if you break it down, you'll notice that you'll notice your hourly average, how long it took you. If you're using heavy equipment, specialized equipment, you're not making between $70 and $100 an hour or more, then you need to raise your prices. Because if you're doing everything legit, and you're doing taxes and paying taxes on all this, you'd be surprised that $70 an hour is only going to be about $50 an hour. Okay, so if you're working for about $50 an hour right now, after taxes about 25 or $30 an hour, you might as well be working for somebody else. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this one up. Have a good one.